Friend Ms. Flynn suggested that maybe there should be something a little more than a space, something like a line break. What if we just put like \n in there? That's a line break, right? But what did we learn yesterday? Or I know I demonstrated this in one of the classes. Maybe it wasn't yours. These are, oh, come on, are all on separate lines. Nope. It'll just turn those into spaces. You can't just put line breaks in there. There is an HTML element for line breaks, BR. Most of the time there's a line break for a reason, because it's a new paragraph or something like that. If you actually need to use it, it is BR, but we can't use that because we're using text content, right? What if they were all in their own paragraph or something? How about that? Let's just start there. What if they were all in their own paragraph? How do we do that? Magic, right? Yes. This is a magic app. What can I do differently? Can you use innerHTML instead of text content? So what if I said spell divs innerHTML? Generally speaking, property names are camel-cased, but there are some inconsistencies, especially with stuff that's been a long time. If they were making this now, I suspect it would be innerHTML like that. But that's from 23 years ago when Brendan and I spent 10 days building the whole thing. A little inconsistent. So then we could say innerHTML equals opening paragraph tag plus spell name plus closing paragraph tag. Seem legit? Refresh. You got the Jixie and the oist spell, the oiwer, the killfest. That sounds bad. Yeah. And they're each in their own paragraph. Let's use our inspector. Let's right click on this one, hit inspect. See? Yeah. Paragraph. Notice the elements tab doesn't show you the HTML document as it was written. It shows you the current state of the DOM. These paragraphs are not in the HTML, right? But they're on the page. They're part of the DOM. So they show up here. You can see there they all are. Just like magic. This is all in our working directory, which is all well and good. But we really want them to be in our actual repository, so we're going to add them to the staging area. Git add dot git commit, then to move it from the staging area to our permanent repo, actually create a checkpoint for it. Let's say add each spell to its own paragraph. Now it's in our repository on our local machines. We want it on our remote as well, so we git push. Questions about that?